Hi guys, it's Sam from Green Care Energy. We're here in Barrie today at another fire. We're going to try to attempt to clean the ventilation system in here and get all the debris out of the duct system. We are definitely going to put on our PPEs and hazmat suits before we go in there.
Okay, so as you can see here, the filter is showing evidence that the furnace was on at the time of the fire, and therefore the return was inhaling all the soot.